Girl, let me tell you what I just did. Oh, hey, girl. Yes, show me what you did with your hair. I got me a new wig, girl. I'm ready to slay in 2019, girl. Yes. I colored it myself, girl. What? Check it out. Check it out. Oh, yes. Do you see all of that color? Oh. Uh-huh. Wow. Yes. So what you think, girl? This is my first time coloring. Did I slay to the gods or what? Well, it's definitely a look for Halloween. Right? Yes, girl. Let me let me take some pictures for you, girl. Yes, turn around. Let me get all of this in here. Oh my god. Yes. I'm gonna turn around for you. Yes. Oh my god. You look so great, girl. You look so great. Yes. Piss is going on the ground. What the hell was she thinking? She looked like a damn mermaid. She looked like, what in the kaleidoscope dreams was she thinking? Goddamn Zoe, I hope you watching. I am Zoe. Watch this because you need to roast her ass. She should have known better than to come over here and show me this busted ass dude. She didn't want to be viral on the gram. I'm gonna get famous off this shit. Yes, girl, do it. Do it, yes. Oh, hey, auntie. Niece, I need you to go pick up something from the store. Oh, hey. Hey. Oh, hey, TT, girl. I just got my hair done. Yes. But guess who? Moi. I did the coloring myself. Yes, girl. You gotta see this. Girl, you want something done to yours? Oh. It may be the first time, but I'm slaying this color thing. Yes. Hold up. Wait. Wait, baby girl. I can't let you be going out like that. What? Nah, auntie. Stop. She looks good, right? Yes, she does. What you mean stop, auntie? You told her this look good? Sweetie, don't listen to her. She ain't your friend. What you mean? Now, I'm gonna give you this card here. You gonna take your little butt over to Healthy Beauty Hair. Okay. And let them fix all of that up. Cause you looking a hot mess, baby. I don't know who told you that look good. Okay. You got about 11 different colors up in your hair. What was you going for? Mermaid? Galactica green? Purple me orange? Look, I don't even want to know. Just fix it. Just fix it. The blood of Jesus. You better fix it. And you wrong. You trifling. Me? What did I do? I know you're not coming in here telling this girl that she look good. Let her go out looking like somebody's McDonald's uncle. No. Well, nobody told her to be coming up in here looking like somebody's unicorn. And you shouldn't even be talking with this, oh, I wish it was a perm wig. See, I know you lying. I don't wear no wigs. I can't be doing it, auntie. And look at all of this scalp, baby. Oh, yeah.